Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday, March 25th. Currently you are on the how-to video where you should have been is you should have read the directions, and this is the video you clicked on. So you are currently here. Today's assignment is very easy. It says Wednesday's agenda. Complete the air pressure and weather reading assignment. Make sure to turn in when done. Remember that I am available every day from 8:25 to 4:05 on Fish's Google Hangouts. I'm going to show you all something a little different. I'm going to click on Fish's Google Hangouts. Okay, again, it's going to take me here. Whoops, make sure you're signed in to your Northside email. Okay, and then once you're here, see, this is currently up and running. I'm actually responding to you all currently. If you would like to message me on the side, you can start a new conversation. Okay, you just type my name in here and I should pop up. Okay, Samantha.Fish. Now it doesn't pop up for me because I am Samantha Fish. So if I was typing Miss Martinez's name, Angela Martinez, there she is. I click on her name and then I send her a message. Okay, so I'm going to close out of here. Now, remember that is available for you to ask questions about the assignments. I'm also available through email, or you can send me a private comment on Google Classroom. A lot of kids have been sending me a private comment. All right, so air pressure and weather reading assignment by class period. Let's say I'm in second period, all right? So I click on the link because I'm in second period, and it takes you directly to the Wednesday assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, I'm going to read the directions. Make sure that you are going to the Google site every day and not directly to your classwork. All resources for the day's lesson are on the site. The distance learning site will always be the first post in your stream. Okay, so there's the directions. Here's the assignment. And directions. I'm going to read the directions at the top. This reading has sections. Type your answers in the boxes after each section of the reading. Today is easy, right? Here's the title. Here's the directions. Here's the first section of this reading, air pressure and weather. Okay, once you read this section, there are 4 questions about this section. So, what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is ... Now, you can leave the font green, that's fine, or you can come up to the top, change the font to whatever color you would like, as long as I can read it. Okay, so I'm going to go with dark blue. Okay, and then I'm going to read, list the 3 factors that determine air pressure. I want to make sure I read, found the 3 factors. The 3 factors are ... So, you type in your answers in this section, you go to the next section. Here's the reading, here's the questions. Here's this section of the reading. Now it's a chart. Okay, so you read this section, you fill in the chart. Don't forget, when you are done typing in all your answers, you click Turn In. And then it says Turn In. And you are done for the day. If there's a mistake you made, you can always unsubmit. Look where my mouse is, unsubmit. Thank you guys. Have a good day.